Good morning. I'm meteorologist Carissa Sanford. It looks like we have a very active afternoon ahead of us. Very hot and humid as well. We're starting off the morning already well into the 70s and 80s, and by this afternoon, we'll see our highs topping out near 90 degrees. Add in the humidity, and it's going to feel more like the upper 90s, possibly as high as the low triple digits. And with all of the heat, moisture, instability, and shear, we've got a combination for severe weather potential later on today. Not only is all of the area under a slight risk, but we've actually been upgraded to a moderate risk of severe weather. That means our chances of seeing severe weather at all are increased, and our chances at seeing more significant severe weather. That means stronger wind speeds and larger hail and more powerful tornadoes into the afternoon, evening, and overnight hours tonight. Most of us will start to dry out towards the end of the week, so it looks like it'll mostly be confined to our Wednesday, but we could start to see those storms popping up as early as this afternoon. The first storms will develop along the warm front that's spread across the area. Those will pack quite a punch, but they'll be isolated at first. Then, with the low pressure center moving through, we'll see an area of strong storms building from west to east and down to the southeast as we get into Wednesday night. That's when we'll continue to see more powerful storms before we'll dry things out behind the cold front into Thursday morning. Now, our main threat will be for widespread damaging winds, but under these thunderstorms, we could also see a threat of flash flooding, and we have enough instability in the atmosphere to see large hail, and we have enough wind shear that we could see some rotation developing, and that could produce a tornado embedded in the line of storms that we're expecting later today. So we're really going to run the gamut. Got to pay close attention to what's going on through the rest of the daytime. Remember, you can log on to ciproud.com and download our severe weather text alerts to get the watch and warning information directly to your smartphone. It looks like for most of us today, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms beginning during the early afternoon hours. Highs very hot, very humid, near 90 degrees. Rain continues into the evening hours, as do our severe weather potential for severe storms. And then overnight tonight, we'll see that rain slowly moving to the east with lows in the low 60s. As we get into Thursday and Friday, we're looking sunny and slightly cooler with highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. But then we have an unsettled upper level weather pattern moving in for the weekend and Monday, and that could bring us a chance at showers and thunderstorms through Father's Day. Monday, looking to bring a few showers and thunderstorms as well before we dry things out into the middle of next week, and we're talking highs in the low to mid 80s for much of next week.